everyone, my name is Sylvia and I'm a social media manager and online educator from Portugal. Today, I'm coming at you to talk about video editing using Canva. If you're watching this video, you've likely heard about Canva, you've likely used Canva before for your business, but in case you haven't, Canva is a great graphic design platform used by social media managers and small business owners everywhere to create anything from social media posts to presentations, business cards, you name it, you can do it with Canva, and now you can actually edit your videos using their platform as well. You can get started for free and eventually evolve to a pro account if you'd like. It's not that expensive. I believe it's around $10 a month. I personally stayed in a free version for a very long time and I was very happy with it. But recently I upgraded to the pro version and I gotta say, it's definitely worth it. It has some super cool features added to it. In this class, you're going to learn the basics of video editing, such as cutting the video, putting clips together, and adding titles such as this one, as well as how to take that clip and fancify it using some other cool features to make it more visually appealing and interactive for your audience if you have a little bit more time on your hands. At the end of this class, you should be able to create something like this. If you want to start creating videos without investing a lot of time and a lot of money into it, I'll have a link down in the description where you can take my class for free using your 1 month of Skillshare Premium. I'll see you guys inside.